Hey everybody, DayTrader Rockstar here, and today's video we're going to be going over the Apex trading funding platform, the prop account that we use a lot on DayTrading Radio, and we're also going to talk a little bit about prop accounts and the benefits of using those, starting out especially here at DayTrading Radio. So this is going out to a lot of, especially when you're a new member to DayTrading Radio or our trading community. We have a lot of new beginners, and I always kind of recommend this as a great way of starting trading because you're not risking your own capital. Trading is hard. All right, you have to learn discipline. You have to learn patience, and to learn this you learn by your mistakes. And the worst thing you want to do is put up your own money and make the mistakes and not, and learn the hard way. So this is a way that you can actually trade. Hone your skills, hone your abilities and stuff, and make sure your techniques and your methodology works, your business plan and stuff. This is a business. What I teach is a business, is how to make money daily out of the markets. So I always recommend people starting off this way, because if you can make it with a prop account, then you can make it with your real account. And it's very easy and very, very cheap entry way of doing it. In most cases, it's under $20. So this is what this video is about, just kind of getting you started if you want to go that way. I'll show you some of the benefits of it and kind of walk you through how to get it running, and that's about it. So all right, let's start this off. All right, first thing I want to do is explain what a prop account is. For traders out there, if you were going to be a trader and stuff, you would actually have a trading account. It could be a NinjaTrader, Schwab, anything out there, Robinhood, Webull, some of the newer ones, Ameritrade, etc., interactive brokers. Well, anyway, that's a trading platform. You put your money in there and you trade it. You trade stocks, options, futures, whatever you're going to trade. Well, basically, when you get a prop account, you're basically getting that account. You're getting a simulation account. But the simulation account comes with many cool things. It comes with a charting service, NinjaTrader, which is really actually quite a good platform. I use that platform. I have an account with them, and it's kind of universal. Everyone's using them. I have bots that work off of it, scripts that work off. I built things on it, so it's something that really works well with my my overall trading. And I trade futures, so this works perfect. So you get a NinjaTrader trading account, and you get what's called a license for it, which is important because it enables you to use in some cases, if you wanted to, scripts like I use, or it just enables you to trade with it real time. It's actually a very good thing, especially trading. Simulation trading. What the prop account is doing is giving you a simulation account. Based off the size and stuff. I'm not going to go into it too much. This is the Apex site. I'll be using Apex as an example. We use basically 2 to 3 sites or type of prop account firms that we use with DayTrading Radio, that we use and we know that they're very trustworthy, and we get a lot of payouts from them and stuff. So the Apex Trading, the Bullinox, and I would say Top Step also. Those are 3 we work with. So Apex here is actually, they have some cool things. They have a 1 day to pass qualification. Again, this is not going to break down everything about prop accounts and what these things mean. I want to kind of get this is going to be kind of an understanding of a basic understanding of how to get this thing going, because this is where people need the help with, is actually getting this thing on their computer. So I want to focus on that. You could do the reading on this, and but I'll go through it. Basically, a prop account is a simulation account that's a certain value. So the values go from like 10,000 or 25,000, 50,000, 75,000, and each one of these accounts that you get is underneath what's called a Rhythmic plan, and that's the data feed. And the data feed really is your account. So they handle all this. Rhythmic actually handles your account and follows it with the connection with NinjaTrader. So you have a Rhythmic account that they give you, that you hook into NinjaTrader, and it actually follows the account and stuff. And then each one of these accounts, whatever size you want to get, has a certain type of goals, or what we call a trailing stop. And we're going to use 25K and 50K as an example right now. So in the case with a 25K, Your profit goal is to make $1,500 without losing $1,500. This is actually a really good one to start off with. 1,500, with our type of trading is very doable actually in a day. My goal is to get people to make $200, $300 a day, and over time qualify within a month. No gambling, just taking qualified setups. Because trading's hard, and what happens is you end up over trading. And all these things that you could be doing with your own money, you're going to be doing on this, and you're going to learn you're going to learn the inner issues that you have as an individual trader. Because right now I can tell you're going to be impatient. You're not going to follow your rules. You're emotional, fear, greed, etc., etc., etc. It all's going to happen. It happens to all the traders. But this is a good place for that to happen. Either way, if all goes well and you hit a profit goal before hitting your trailing stop, then you get a funded account. Now there's absolutely no risk to this at all. Now it says here $147. Now with these prop accounts, they send out coupons. Coupons, they send out sites to mine and stuff. So people will promote it and stuff. So I have all there's coupons here for Apex, for this Apex funding. The coupon code is DTR APEX, DTR Apex. And that gives you a 71% off, 71% off evaluation, and it also qualifies you for the 1-day pass. All right, so it's good for 3 days. So the DTR Apex is the coupon code for that. You'll need this later if you want to use it, but hey, there it is, DTR Apex. Just another thing on the coupons, we'll probably talk more about those later. They always come out, a good coupon, I would say a real good coupon would be anything over 80% off. Sometimes you'll get a 90% off coupon. It depends on how the coupons bring the accounts down. If you get in the 50K or a 25K account, it's going to bring it down quite a bit to like under $20, maybe $14 to $17. And that's really good. So a lot of people get multiple accounts. That way they could try different strategies and stuff. So I just wanted to show you that. Let me get back over on this one. And again, if you end up doing, again, the goal is to get a funded account and to actually hit your goal. Each account has a goal. So in the case of a 25K, it'll be $1,500. So if you get that $1,500, you hand that in, you pay a small fee, and lots of times the fee can be about $30 to $50 if they have a promotion on it. If not, it's usually about $100. But that's the only fee you have to do, and you have now a funded account that you get to take as up to the 100% of the first $25,000 per account, and 90% after that, as you split 90-10 with the firm. So, and you're allowed 2 payouts a month. So basically, it's just it's touching. It's like a plug and play. You don't have to deal with anything. You open up an account, you sign up, put in the coupon code, and what's going to happen is, this is exactly where I'm coming in with this video, is to kind of show you exactly what's going to happen. So remember, to go through the process, you go to Apex, you go to Get Started. Or you could just say Get Started, and then pick your account. I recommend like a 25K or a 50K account. Hit the Rhythmic on that. All right, that's bringing you up to the Rhythmic. The Rhythmic is the data feed, and that's what you're going to be paying for. So once you click on that, it'll bring you over here to a sign-up form. And you just have to sign up. So again, 25K. Now it says here, this is very important to remember. It says $147 for each month. That's why you have to always use coupons. The coupons are always listed on this site. Actually, on DayTrading Radio, I always have the updated coupons listed. So make sure you're always looking at that coupon. Let me show you where those are, by the way. Kind of fast, especially for the new people who are just getting this video or joining DayTrading Radio for the first time, even on a trial, because you'll be getting this video. All right. Let's see if we go to DayTrading Radio. Why does it say MySpace? I'm doing it the long way around. Look, they had my office there. So you sign into DayTrading Radio. Oh, that's fast. Site's fast. Actually, I went too far. I logged in. Don't go to the login. Go to the outside of the site, DayTradingRadio.com. Up here, you'll see prop trading section. But also, if you just scroll down, you'll see the latest. You'll see the latest coupons here. So right now, this is the latest Apex coupon. Bullinox coupon. This is the latest one, 83%. The Bullinox code is DTR83, and this the Apex, which we're showing you today, is DTR Apex. But always the updated ones there. And top step here, you just have to open it up, and it applies the discount. Everything else is sold out. All right, so that is that's where you find those. I'm going to go back over here now and show you something else. There's a lot more information here under the prop trading section on the top here. So click on that. You'll see updated on the best current coupon. I think, like I said. Different firms offer them, but these two are usually competing, Bullinox and Apex. And I have some nice introductory videos, but this one's kind of an update, so you might be able to you could probably get past some of these other videos and stuff. But if you scroll down here, there's a little secret session here. I discuss more about how to start it up and stuff and what you should look for. So there's some information about trailing stops. Again, this video, and there's a comparison between Apex and Bullinox that one of our members wrote up that used them both and what his take was and stuff. But these rules are always changing, so the rules are actually not as. This is pretty up to date. This was updated about a month ago. But and again, some more information. But if you scroll all the way down to the bottom here, you will see the trades that you should be taking with these prop accounts. This is what I kind of specialize in, is sending out these alerts and stuff. I just kind of put it down here, so there's some good information on that too. If you happen to find that little Easter egg section all the way down on the bottom of that page on the outside of Day Trading Radio. So, all right, we'll get back to the accounts. All right, a recap before we show you how to open up one of these accounts and get it going. Pretty easy, but we'll go through it. First of all, again, reason this is good, you're trading without your own money. You're learning the skills of the trade. And trading's hard. You have to learn techniques. You have to learn money management. You have to learn discipline and patience and stuff. Once you're able to master that and start making money with a prop account, which is so easy, not easy, but so easy to track, and they track it for you, and it's a serious thing. It's not like just a regular simulation account. There's a goal, and there's a reason to do good in this. So you have to apply you shouldn't use this to gamble. All right, it shouldn't. And along with it comes with the trading platform. You get the NinjaTrader license. You happen to have the Rockbot trading scripts. You can run on those. It comes with real lifetime data, which a lot of people who want to start trading don't even know where to start. They don't have an account. They don't have data and stuff. This gives you everything to start trading. And again, it's no risk. An account size and profit targets. If you have 25K. If you want to get 1,500, the 50K account, you want to make 3,000 before hitting that stop. And the stops are a little bit different, but you could see the stops on that, but they're comparable. This is really the one-on-one. The 25K one is the really good one. We're using these prop accounts to trade futures. They can be used for any type of futures product, but we concentrate on the E-mini futures, the micros, NASDAQ mini and micros. Down in some cases. And again, low cost, minimal risk. Prop trading costs around minimum with a good coupon. Again, you could be trading these accounts for under $20, usually under $30 with the current coupons. And so it's really good. So, all right, let's say you are going to open one up and you just need a little help getting through this. All right, so you're at the Apex site. Again, just have to get started. You can sign up or get started. It's just easy enough to kind of click on that. Pick your account size. I would recommend either a 25 or 50K account. We'll just push that right there. And then what's going to happen is you're going to have the sign up form. And basically, you got to put in your payment information and, pick a password and stuff and put your stuff in there. And put the coupon code in there. Don't forget to put in the coupon code DTRAPEX. That's going to apply the 71% discount on that. And whatever the highest discount is, actually. So it doesn't even matter when it is. So sometimes, every month they put out different coupons. Sometimes they have fast little flash sales up to 90% off. But either way, that same coupon code will apply to any of the best things. So, and once you fill out all that stuff and just say yes, click next, and then you go. What you're going to do is you're going to get an email sent to you. And the email is the setup email. So right now, with the setup email, it's going to give you. I don't have my setup email there with me, but it's going to give you your account username and password, where you already picked your password. So you have your account. So you're gonna log into the Apex site now. All right. So we're going to go back to the Apex site and you're going to log in. When you log in, you're going to go to your dashboard, and this is what your dashboard is going to look like. You're going to have all these options on the side, and you're going to have any active subscriptions that you might have. Like you just picked up a 50K account, it'll be listed here. All right, and it'll list the terms. The terms are very important to, again, usually this is the amount, usually $147, but with the coupon, it'll give you the coupon price, $14.70 for the first month and then $29.40 for each additional month. Very important to know your coupons. I try to post those on the coupons. The best type of coupons is lifetime coupon. Lifetime coupons are good for the lifetime of this subscription of the account that you're traded. Now, you want to keep the account open as long as you didn't do what we call blow up the account or lose more than the threshold that they require. But if you're on the way of profit or on the way of qualifying, hitting your target, and it get past a month, it'll rebill for whatever the billing terms were. So each coupon gives you different billing terms, but always make sure you have a good coupon, and you're not, and if you do when you do get a good coupon, you can buy multiple accounts, and that helps a lot. So recurring active, about billing term $29.40 for the first month, and then $29.40 for each month after, and that's called a lifetime thing. All right, and then they're going to give you a Rhythmic. You see over here, this is very important. You're going to get a Rhythmic account and the password. They're going to give you that. You can show the password. You're going to remember. You're going to need that. And down here, in this link down here, is going to be your NinjaTrader setup and key. All right, and this is important. A NinjaTrader setup and key. Now, this is going to be given. They're going to give you this information in the directions. So I'd follow the directions. But if you have any issues, you could refer back to this video, and I'll try to kind of help you get through some of these little sneaky setup areas, because sometimes you don't know where to find stuff. So this is where you're going to find the NinjaTrader, what we call the serial number, or the what do you call license key. You're going to click on this, and then it's going to come up and it's going to say Rhythmic. Oh, I'm going to have to log in. So when you click on the NT8 setup and key, first of all, it'll tell you if you're trying to set this up over the weekend. Sometimes it won't set up over the weekend because it doesn't activate until the morning, or at the dates, whatever it says here, Sunday evening after 6, when futures open up at 6 o'clock. How to get started. Attention setup is changed. I give you some other information. It says you have connected to a server called Apex. You will not be able to connect to Rhythmic paper trading anymore. So they made something new, but you don't need that. Just remember, you're going to be connecting to Apex. Your Rhythmic user ID and password are the same. Ninja license key has changed. In order to connect to the new Apex server, you must follow the new setup instructions. And again, here it is. Set up Rhythmic in NinjaTrader 8. It just gives you the instructions right there. It's very easy to follow. But this is one thing that I found hard, is like, where do I get my thing? And I couldn't find it for a while, and it was right underneath me in front of me. So if you scroll down, keep on scrolling down here. So you scroll down, and there you have it. You have your NinjaTrader license key. What you want to do with that, you're going to use that. Just remember where it is. So the important things here: your Rhythmic username, your Rhythmic password, your NinjaTrader license key. All right. You must import the key before downloading NinjaTrader. This is very important. All right. So a lot of people get stuck on this. So we just remember that. So what I would do here at this point is, you could copy and paste your NinjaTrader. I blanked out some of the numbers because I don't want people having the key. So you can copy that. All right. And then we're going to go, let's do this next step. So next you're going to go to your NinjaTrader and you're going to log in. If you already have a NinjaTrader account and a license key, you could just use that one. You're already set up. But if you don't have a NinjaTrader account and you're going to have to use the license key they supply you. So you go to NinjaTrader and you open up an account. You click on open up account, and then I already have one, of course, but you would you'd put in your email and you'd say sign up. And you'd sign up, and let's see if I can actually. You're going to go through the process of sign up, but you don't have to put any money in this. And if it comes to a situation where it says it's going to be a live account or simulation account, pick simulation account. Let me see if I could. Let me see. Email, DayTrader, Google, sign up with Google. Have an account login here. Oh, all right. So let's see if that works. All right. Atomic lock, how to say. All right. So this is the account they gave me. I don't know why it has $40 in it. This might be a different one. But anyway, this is what we want to go. You want to take that, you want to open up your account, whatever it is. It's going to get to this point. You're going to go up to the upper right-hand corner of the account here. As you can see, it might be right up here. You see where the profile level, the profile picture is? You click on that. Then I'm going to find it here with you. I believe you go to settings, and then up here you're going to see accounts, plans, preferences, document security transfers. All right. Now bear with me. Hold on. All right. I just realized because I have a well, when you go to your user account, because I have my own license key and stuff, it's not giving me, because I have the Pro platform, it's not showing me where it's not showing me that I can replace it because it's a lifetime license. But if you go back to the settings here, this is where it would be. It would be, it's either plans or profiles. I think it would be right in here, because it says lifetime. If it didn't, it would say put in license code, or import license code, and you would push import, and it would import it in, and then you would download the NinjaTrader platform on the bottom right here. I don't know if you can see it here. It's a little low. Let me bring that up a little. See right there, it says download now. Let me just double check the profile one more time. It wouldn't be under preferences. Documents. No, it was here. It was under plans. It was under plans. Well, that's where it would be. And you import it up. Sorry, that wasn't there on mine. I'm not going to go through and open up in a whole other one. All right, so after you signed up for the NinjaTrader, you imported your license key, and you downloaded your platform after you imported the license key. Your platform is now on your computer. The next thing I want you to do is you're going to have to go to Rhythmic. Rhythmic is your data feed that you're going to be connecting to and it's also your account information, how they're going to track your account. So you're going to go to Rhythmic. You just put it in there. They already gave you a link for it on the instructions. You might have already finished all this, but if not, it's right there. And then you download the software, and the software is called Rhythmic Pro. So I'm just going to start that for you, because it's remember in the beginning you got the emails, and it gave you here's Rhythmic right here, Rhythmic Trader Pro. This is going to come up a little box like that, and then you're going to put in your user ID and your password. All right. User ID and your password. Now this is actually have this connected to my Linux, but if I wanted to connect it to my Apex, I would put my Apex user ID there that they gave me, the Apex password that they gave me, which I showed you before. Let me see where that was. Again, it was back on the important information here, the setup information, your Apex username, Apex ... and your password. All right. Excuse me, your Rhythmic. I say Apex, but it's for the Apex. Your Rhythmic username and your Rhythmic password. All right. So we're back over here, and we're on a Rhythmic login. So you put in your Rhythmic username, and you put in your Rhythmic password, and then you switch this to Apex, and there's an Apex right here. Click on that to Apex. All right, and then click on this one to put in the same thing down here. Apex, your Rhythmic username, your password, and then switch this one to Apex, not Rhythmic paper trading, not Rhythmic. It has to be Apex. I'm going to keep it on that because, and I actually am. I'll just show you. So that goes to Apex, like that, and then this goes to Apex, like that. I want to put in my. Let's see if this works. Copy that. No, I don't want to change it. Hold on. I have it set up. I have Apex on one computer and I have it on this, the Bullodox on this computer. But basically that what you're going to do is put your Apex thing, put it in Apex, and then push connect. And what's going to happen, it's going to open up and you're going to get two forms you're going to have to sign. It's going to pop up. Now, a lot of people don't get this running right away, and sometimes it won't start if you're doing it on the weekend. If you're trying to get this thing running on like a Saturday to Monday, sometimes for some reason they're doing maintenance or they say it doesn't connect because there's no data. The data gets turned on at 6 o'clock on Sunday. So after 6 o'clock, that will connect. Make sure there's no spaces in it and just put in your user ID, the Apex dash, whatever the number is, the password they gave you, push that on the Apex. Your gateway should be the closest area to you. If you're in the United States, they recommend Chicago area. But you can have a pull down if you're in Europe, Frankfurt, Tokyo, etc., etc., etc. And then you click login, and it'll log in. And the first thing it's going to ask you, if you've never logged in before, it's going to tell you have to sign two forms. These are non-professional, this kind of affidavits saying that you're not a professional trader associated with any professional firms, because there's different fees for data. If you were considered a professional or a licensed broker and stuff, you would have to pay different fees. So they could give these fees to you because you're not a professional. So make sure you don't put down non-professional. Just agree to non-professional. And then you could close this. And this is where you're going to be paying attention to your account. When you open the, it'll come up with your dashboard, and it'll show you any active accounts you have, and you can actually track your accounts that way. It'll give you graphs and stuff. But again, the reason you have to start this right off, and you can't have this running and then your NinjaTrader running. You can only be one login with a Rhythmic account. So if you try to start your charts with this open, you will not be able to do that. So it's very important to close this out. You had to open it that one time, or anytime you want to check your account, or maybe override a trade that you could go in here and you could close all accounts and stuff. If you have a trade on, you can manipulate. You have to make your way around there. But the important thing is to sign those non-disclosure, that non-professional forms. Then log out of that, and then you should be logged out of that. Now that that's working. What you're going to do now is open up your NinjaTrader and connect your NinjaTrader. When you open up your NinjaTrader, if you're not familiar with that, you're going to have to get familiar with that. This is not a NinjaTrader video, but you're going to have your you're going to have your what's called like your control panel here. And I always say you start a new chart up here. You could open up a chart there, and then you put in your symbol. But you're going to learn how to do that all on your own. And then just click OK and a symbol, then you have your everything running. But nothing's going to come up until you connect some data to it. All right. So you have to have the data connected to it. So what kind of data do we have connected to? That's where they gave us the Rhythmic data feed. So you're going to go to connections. All right. And then here you're going to say, well, let's just disconnect everything. All right. Let's back it up a little. You're going to have to do a couple things with the NinjaTrader. First of all, because you have, make sure you go to the help button here, go down to about, and then you should see your machine. Well, this is where you're going to get your machine ID if you ever need to use it, but also entitlements, and it'll say evaluation license. This is a professional license, so I have a multi-broker, no order flow license, but it would say evaluation license. If it doesn't say anything there, then you don't have this set up, and you need to upload the license key, the NinjaTrader license key, to the NinjaTrader platform, and re-download the NinjaTrader trading platform to your computer, so it has it in, because it has it in the code. All right. So you're going to have that. Once you have that, you want to go to tools, and you're going to go down to options. I'm trying to do this from memory because I do it so many times, so don't mind that. And you're going to make sure it says multi-provider. Make sure that is clicked. That's very important. I think it comes unclicked, and it won't have multiple. You may have to make sure that is clicked, and you apply. All right, that's very important. All right, now it's multi-provider. Then you go to connections, and you should see configure about. Now, you won't have all these on here. This is from my interactive brokers, my Bolinox, the Coinbase, other things that I trade with the NinjaTrader. But you're going to go configure here. And over here, and don't mind, let me get rid of all those white dots. I don't need those anymore, I don't think. Boom. Up here, you're going to see Rhythmic for NinjaTrader Broker. All right. So you're going to click on that, and you're going to add it down here. It says down on the bottom, and there'll be an add button. Let me move this up a little so you can see it. Right here. So you're going to click on that, and you click add. And that's going to bring it down here. And now I already had one down here, so I named it Apex. So that's the new one that came down. Was that the new one that came down? Let me see. Where is NinjaTrader for Apex? Maybe this is the new one. Nope, this is it. All right. All right. I had to bring it down again. I don't know what happened, but you bring it down, and then you're going to see the credentials over here. And, credentials here, remember this, we're using Rhythmic now, Rhythmic. So remember that Rhythmic username they gave you, and you used it to log into the Rhythmic site, you put it right in there, the Rhythmic password right in there. Ask for a password on Connect? No, just leave that blank. I'll leave that blank. This is important though. This is again for the Apex, and again, this is not for the Bolinox. If you're doing the Bolinox, it's a little bit different for the Bolinox. If it's the Bolinox, you're going to use Rhythmic Paper Trading Chicago. Or let's see where that is. Rhythmic Paper Trading Chicago. That's if you're using the Bolinox. But for the Apex here, you have one now specially made for Apex. So you click on the Apex. So then you have everything. Keep off the plugin mode for Market Day. You don't need that. Apply it, and now when you're ready to go and use it, in this case, I'll show you. All right, you apply it. All right, it's going to go over there. Okay. All right. Well, I'm not doing this one because I'm not making another one. Cancel that. It's going to show up here. So when you have your connections, you're going to see your thing down here, and you're just going to click on it. And on the bottom, you should see it kind of turn yellow, but it should eventually turn green. And there it's green now. And green means it's connected, and that's when you're going to get your data coming to your charts. Now, if you want to see if there's an error or something that's not going on, it's not going, go to your logs here, and it'll tell you maybe if there's any issues there. Rhythmic, NinjaTrader, primary connecting. If there was an issue, it would tell you if there was an issue. This is something with my scripts that are not running right now over the weekend. So that's just that. But this tells you exactly if my Rhythmic is connecting. It'll say connected. Everything is good, you'll turn green. If not, maybe there'll be an error there and you just have to investigate it. All right, now that you are connected to your stream, again, you're connected to your Apex data feed through Rhythmic. Right now, your charts are, you could pull down the account. You should see your Rhythmic account over here. Or if you have multiple accounts or any accounts that you have attached to NinjaTrader. And these are different bot things that I do. And here's the Apex account. So you should see that, and then you can click on whatever one you want to trade. Say you want to trade one. You click on that, now it's active. So if you wanted to take a trade in it, you could trade that. And now that falls back now onto the prop accounts. Now you're on a prop account and you're trading the prop account like a real account. You have your market feed data, you have your charts, you have your account, and now you're building this. Now, if you happen to get this with DayTrading Radio, this is the NinjaTrader. I teach a very strict method of qualifying these accounts based on stochastics and momentum. They're made for day traders. We trade each and every day here at DayTradingRadio.com. So a lot of people use this, and I highly recommend doing this. The setups that we take are like this. I mean, basically, if you know me from trading and stuff, I could point these things out, and you know how well they work. This setup right here, which is one of our main go-to setups, it's a quad rotation divergence. Right at 350. It was kind of funny that does happen. Normally we wouldn't take a trade at 350 at night on a Friday, but a divergence really means something, and that's what we trade. So when we trade, like if I was going to, let's take a look. If I get rid of this, I think if I get rid of, right? Hold on, let me see. I can't. I was going to see if I could get rid of that and look at my trading. I wonder if it's, but I was trading the Bolonox. Anyway, so none of my trades are on here. The template that you see here, this great little template that normally during the show, I'll just kind of jump back here. Normally during the show, I am trading with one or two of these accounts live. DayTradingRadio.com, and custom text is what it usually has on it. It's like that 25K Bolonox account or whatever account it is, and you get to watch. It's a live account, and we trade it during the day. I trade it, and I send out the alerts and stuff to the Futures Trade Alert Network that can be found on the site too, and other things. But if you are part of the membership here at DayTrading Radio, or get the alerts, the Future Trade Alerts and stuff. And you sign up and get a prop account through some of the coupons. Reach out to me, and if you want this template, I have no problem sharing it with you. But just understand that this is a very good piece of equipment, and tuned in here to know it and to understand how it works. I highly advise you becoming a member at DayTradingRadio.com. Because that's what we do. We qualify these accounts. That's what we're set up to do. You have to, of course, you have to open them up and make sure you have the discipline to take the setups. But this is a good path. Again, this is an excellent way to start learning how to trade. A lot of these might look these moving average and stuff, the 20, 250 moving average, the quad rotation here on the stochastics. Actually, it's a 3 stochastic band here. I have four on the on the new template. There's 4, which is good. And let me see if I can bring up I wonder if I can find a new template on this. Did I upload it? No, just my original template. Let's see if it changed. No, just the original one. But that's how you're going to be able to work. And then, of course, again, click it on your whatever account you're on, and then you can start taking the trades. Now, remember, each account, we go back to prop accounts. Each account, carries is usually based off of ES. All right. So when it talks about how many contracts you could be carrying and stuff, it's all based on the ES. I trade a lot of the MES contract, which is the micro contract, because it's easier to break down a one ES contract. I could break that down into 1/10 and trade one contract and split that up, and it's just easier to take profits, easier to trade. I find it very easy to trade. So that's the reason I do that. But you could trade up to, like on the 25K account, you could trade up to 3 ES contracts. Now, a lot of the setups that we take, I'm taking them with, I like to average, believe it or not, $20 to $50 a trade, and I like to take 5 to 6, 7 trades a day. But on the minimum side, we're always getting the $20 to $30, $40 trades. On the upside, we could get up to 100, 200, so we could have some good days. But the average, trading this down, trading divergences on the MES, just multiple contracts, I want to make $300 to $500 a day preferably, but I'll be happy with 200 to 300. The object is to qualify this over time. You know, you have all the time in the world. You have to get like a 25K account. You have to get just down to 1,500. That could be done just by taking your time, taking the setups, being in front of this. This is not set up for everyone, though. You have to have the time to put it in. I always talk about that in a lot of my, motivational videos on trading. It's very important how hard it is to trade. Everyone wants to start trading. But to be able to see this, it's taken me years and years. I've started trading in 96. I don't think I got proficient in trading. And it's always difficult because I should finish when I got I just cut that off. Well, again, a lot of the beginning when you're a new trader, you're thirsting for information. A lot of that information is overwhelming, and you eventually are going to try to find your own path. And the path is going to come down to simply being disciplined, because the market a market is made to go higher. We know what makes it go higher. We know some of the signals. It's important for us to have the discipline to be there. Just like if you're going to catch something, you want to get I try to use analogies a lot to kind of show you how important it is to, compare this to something of greatness. If you're great at something, there's a path to being great. It either takes hard work, effort, or you're physically, have the right attributes. Anything, you have to have the right attribute. You have to be patient. You have to be mentally strong. You have to have the time. There's a lot of moving pieces. You can't just go into this and thinking that you're going to push a button and make trade. But we know when to push the buttons. Now the hard part is being there to push it and having the confidence to push it. But I could definitely teach you when to push it. And this is a great opportunity to learn is on these things. So if you can start qualifying on this and making your own money without risking your own money, then you do that with your own money. Once you get proficient with this, you do it with your own money. All right? What is it going to work? What's the worst thing? It costs you, $20 a month to trade and get proficient in trading. Plus, if you're a member of DayTrading Radio, I'll give you a good deal. Just hit me up, ironaction@yahoo.com. All right, so again, that's basically how we get the NinjaTrader up and running using the Apex account. The same thing basically was with the Bullinox, but it's a little bit different, but the Bullinox send you just as good instructions. Just the key part is importing that NinjaTrader license key. All right, you have to import that into the NinjaTrader site up on it where it says profile, over by where it says plans or profiles. Scroll down there. You'll see a spot for it. My spot wasn't there because I have a different account. All right, and also the current coupons. Current coupons are always going to be at the DayTrading Radio site. Right now, the current coupon DTR Apex, DTR APEX, is 71%, but it actually is including the one-day qualification. That's some other little things in prop trading you should know. We kind of jump over it a lot, but you can do a lot of your own research on the website about trailing drawdowns and qualification times. You don't have any time limit to qualify, which is great. Don't force yourself to take gambles. Don't get into a bad habit. But in some cases, you're required to have a certain amount of trading days under your belt, meaning you had to take trades for a minimum amount of days, maybe 5, 7. And that could be, you can make a couple good trades and qualify, and then you're forced to trade, and you're trying to get those other trades in, and you fall back down. So it's kind of set up against you. But a lot of times, Apex will offer you that one-day qualification. I mean, you don't need 7 days 7 days of trading under your belt. You only need 1 day. So that's active with this coupon right now. It's active with that one-day coupon, and it's also active. Hold on a second. All right, just wanted to update you on that coupon here, that 71% off. It is a lifetime coupon. It is also good for up to 20 accounts, and it's also enables you $35 resets. Now, what does reset mean? Well, if you have a cheap account, you don't need to reset it. You just need to cancel. If you blow up an account, you should always cancel your account. That way you don't get recharged for the data. Remember, they're charging you for the data and stuff. Even if you don't use the account, you're still going to get charged. So if you're using the account, great. and it's active. If you for some reason blow it up, which is fine, you're going to do that. You're going to learn about it. You're going to learn your mistakes and stuff, and you might fail. You might hit a stop out. It'll stop and it'll say, no longer you can use it. Make sure you go to your dashboard and click cancel the subscription, or else it'll still rebill you. It'll rebill you. So make sure you go to cancel on your dashboard. The other thing is the $35 reset. If you have an account that you're getting for $20, no sense to pay $35 to reset it. You might as well just get a new one. All right. But if you have a good a high priced account that is a couple $100, even with the 71% off or whatever, to reset it then might be worth doing, to paying the $35 reset. It really depends on numbers, but most likely it's better to cancel your account and just open up a new one using the coupon. That's just something else we didn't really talk about. And again, the 1 day pass. And the 1 day pass plus 1 day qualifying is still active. Now, this coupon is good until June 30th, 2024 at 4:59 p.m. Eastern Time. So, all right, so that's it. If you need any help or anything, you can reach out to me on the video. Definitely would love to help you, and we'll get you through that. Again, the Bullinox is basically the same process. It just has a different username. It's basically the same. Both of these have good coupons on that compete. Mr. Top Step is also. All those coupons can be found on the site. If you have any questions, reach out to me. And I specialize in an alert system for prop accounts. It's called the Futures Trade Alert Network, and it's excellent for traders who just want to be alerted to when we get into these big trades, the high probability trades, the quad rotation super signals. All right, so you can find that at DayTrading Radio. Members get that, or if you're not a member of DayTrading and want to get those, you can head over to the patreon.com/DayTrading Radio. They're only $20 a month, and that's really cool, and it comes over your phone like a walkie-talkie. That's right, walkie-talkie. That's what it looks like. Futures Trade Alert. It's me. Introductory. Received these alerts: the quad divergence, the quad coil, the quad trend line, the quad VWAP, quad divergence, quad rotations. Perfect for prop traders. All right. So that is actually a pretty cool thing. I hope you enjoyed that. All right, everyone, have a happy one. If you need any help, again, reach out, daytradingradio.com. And my email here is ironaction@yahoo.com. Have a good one.